हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ क्रिक टॉक विद ऋषि. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट एंड पिच मेमोरेबल फाउंडर ऋषि आर छाबड़ा. Joining me on the show today is a very, very special guest who's worked on camera for over a decade and has the experience of working with 4 different channels.
Well, joining me on the show today is the famous sports presenter Arjun Pandit. Arjun bhai, thank you so much for taking out the time and talking to us today. How has life been in lockdown?
Rishi bhai, pehle to firstly, why you being so formal with me? Rishi and I, we met in England, and I'm sure you told your viewers about that as well. What was my profile at that time? So my job at the time was to go and report with the fans, get the pulse of the fans, and karke aao, get a sense of what's happening with regards to Indian fans. And when you talk about Indian cricket fans, you guys in the Bharat Army are like top of the mountain. तो मैं वहाँ पे काम तो करने गया, मुझे ये सोच के गया कि जी मैं बड़ी ज़बरदस्त एनालिसिस करने वाला हूँ, कट एंड ये पुल करने वाला हूँ, पर मैं 1 महीना नाच के आया हूँ बस. All I've done with you guys for that 1 month, wherever I would meet you, ढोल वाले आपके आ जाते हैं. It's like चुटकी पे आप लोग ढोल वाले वहाँ पे रखते हो behind your shoulder. ये ढोल वाले पहुँच जाते हैं वहाँ पे, then you have to start dancing. But those were good times. It's good to see you. I hope your family is good. I hope you've been good throughout this pandemic.
Yes, all good, and I hope the same for you as well. You became a father recently, so how has the experience been?
I'm not looking a lot more mature. I think I'm looking a little mature now.
Okay.
It's a beautiful experience, yaar. Whatever they say about it, it's all true. मेरे जैसा बच्चा, I'll be honest, मैं बच्चों को देख के I'm not the very oily sholy, cuddly types, but मैं मेरी बेटी के साथ बिल्कुल उल्टा हो गया हूँ.
Okay.
And non-stop, I've become a pro now. So I bathe her, I change her clothes, I make her eat food, and so on and so on. I'm loving it. The lockdown has its disadvantages and advantages. One of the advantages being that me and my daughter, we are locked in this same house with each other. Even though the lockdown has been lifted, we haven't ventured out too much purely because of her age. And she has stage
Exactly.
right now in life where her immunity is not built up. So
Yes.
we don't move out that much.
Okay.
The disadvantage being that my wife has to face me 24/7 and gets no respite from this. But the advantage being that I can spend all the time with my daughter and I love playing with her.
Absolutely. Well, we will come down to the life in lockdown in a few moments. But आपने बोला 2017 की बात Champions Trophy, so I will just show our viewers a throwback to 2017 when I first met you. Arjun, this picture is from the India-Pakistan game. I don't know if you remember, we were on an open rooftop bus and हम अपने एक hotel से stadium तक गए थे. And I believe you and Jatin were covering that event for Star Sports. So that is our first meeting. So I just showed the viewers that picture. So quickly moving on with the show now.
Can I tell you about the sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
On that bus, that very day, that was the culmination of my dancing skills, right?
Okay.
So it was built up for a month.
Okay.
And on that day, on that bus, I did some, I channeled my inner Delhi wala dancing at a wedding at 4 a.m. वो वाली
Wow.
डांस मैंने वैसे वाली डांस की है. और एक्चुअली में मुझे फीडबैक ये नहीं मिल रहा था कि पंडित रियली नाइस रिपोर्टिंग, वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चंस यू आस्किंग. Only thing I was doing, यार क्या डांस किया भाई.
Dance किया, बहुत बढ़िया.
ये था अपना
Really, I think learning something new from every time that you go on camera. So you said you're spending a lot of time with your daughter. Life has been very different in lockdown. So when we talk about the sports presenter, you're always on the move. But these last 1 year, you've been static. You've been working from home, I believe. So how different and how difficult has been the transition from traveling and then all of a sudden working from home and not stepping out of?
So, it wasn't that difficult for me, to be honest. Even while I was at Star, I had started a football show on Indian football along with a friend of mine. Now that friend of mine was based in Delhi, I was based in Bombay. So initially, क्योंकि हम गधे हैं एक नंबर के, so we said we cannot do anything online, and we guys are archaic when it comes to using technology. Side story: someone helped me open an email account also. I was that bad, right? So all of this would scare the life out of me. So initially, what we would do is he would travel to Bombay, or when I was traveling to Delhi, we would get together and we'd record a podcast. And then suddenly we realized there is technology that one can sit in Delhi and one can sit in Bombay and do this. So prior to this pandemic, I had already been doing these kind of shows, not on Zoom because Zoom is it's come courtesy of the pandemic that suddenly it's gone up. But we used to be doing it on various other platforms. And then we used to put it out on YouTube. So I was used to this entire thing of lag. एक तो सबसे बड़ा चीज जो आपको affect करता है ना when you're not with the person in the same room is that more often than not your internet will not be at the same speed. तो शायद कोई स्लो बोल रहा है, कोई ये बोल रहा है, और फिर मेरे जैसा बंदा जो हर बारी कुछ ना कुछ गंदा जोक क्रैक करते रहता है on a lag maybe that joke doesn't fall on you correctly because you probably not heard it right or it's come a little late, so then eventually what it looks like is मैंने joke तो crack किया है but Rishi's like this, so it's falling flat on my face.
Exactly.
These are all learnings. I think the biggest test for me was when I was doing CricBuzz. When I was doing it with Viru Bhai, with Ajay Bhai, with Ashish Bhai, for the IPL, which was last IPL and this IPL as well. But the last IPL was pretty tough because CricBuzz is a place where it's unlike a TV show. CricBuzz is a place where you have non-stop conversation for 40-45 minutes. And just to give perspective to your viewers, a 1-hour show on television comprises of 45 minutes of talking time.
Yes.
In that 45 minutes of talking time, you have packages being the stories that are played out. You have interviews. So मिल मिला के एक्चुअली में बातचीत जो हो रही है वो आपके 25 से 30 मिनट के बीच की बातचीत हो रही है. And you have a lot of reference points. There are reference points. On CricBuzz, the challenge is there's no reference point, there's nothing. There's just a toss हुआ, ये टीम है, ये बदलाव है, बातचीत करिए. So that season for me was pretty tough because there was lag. I was trying to be my funny self as if I'm trying to be on TV. So the energy sort of matters. The energy on these kind of chats, it can't be the amplified TV energy, right? It has to be a lot more relaxed. It has to be a lot more chilled out. And the talking over each other, you need to get used to.
Yes.
4 अगर लोग बैठे हैं, 3 लोग बैठे हैं, suddenly मैंने कुछ बोला, किसी और ने कुछ बोलना चाहा, किसी और ने कुछ बोलना चाहा. That throws you off. But you know, this IPL is much easier that way.
So when you're talking about these lags and how you were able to adjust to this new system, लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि जब लाइव शो हो रहा होता है तो जो प्रोडक्शन टीम है वो ऑलरेडी आपसे बात कर रही होती है. You can actually listen to whatever's going on with the production team. So this time it might be a bit different. You know, you're not listening to the production team, but you're trying to be in sync with the other shows who are other show people who are sitting in like different part of the world.
No, we were. There is technology, Rishi. There were. I had someone in my ear. So it gets really tough. So if I'm on a panel of 4 people, say, me being the 4th person, so there are 3 talking heads, and there's a 5th person who is the producer, right?
Yeah.
Producer, anchor कभी एक दूसरे के साथ बनती नहीं है. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि producer कहता है ये उल्लू का पट्टा शक्ल सूरत लेके आ गया यहाँ पे. He thinks he's an expert. Producer, anchor को लगता है ये कौन गधा है मेरे को बताने वाला है. ठीक है? It's a love-hate relationship. But the producer is always in my ear, telling me, okay, Arjun, we can move on to this. We can move on to that. This conversation is dragging. Let's move on. So a good producer is one, if he has good sync with an anchor, the producer and anchor will have a very small conversation. Because he let the conversation breathe.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes.
Because वो sync है, आप एक दूसरे को जानते हो क्या काम है. But if it's a new relationship, I've come across a lot of producers and I don't blame them, but it's just that वो insecurity होती है, नया बंदा है, तो maybe I need to keep telling him. Yeah.
Exactly.
So what happens then is that if there's someone always in my ear telling me, sometimes I'm missing out the actual conversation with the experts. The point they're making.
So
and
it
I can't
might
react in the way you're supposed to.
And it might get difficult as well because as a sports presenter, आपको producer की भी बात सुननी है, and then आपके जो show के host हैं, जो guest हैं, आपको उनकी भी बात सुन के then you have to as per what they're saying, you have to adjust to the questions, you have to adjust to the answers that are coming, and obviously then improvise and ask the next incoming question.
Yeah. True. And see, मैं मोटी बात बताऊँ, प्रोड्यूसर जो बोलता है एक कान से आता है यहाँ से निकाल देते हैं, करते हो अपनी है, लाइव टीवी में कर लो भाई, वो करना है, बात करेंगे शो के बाद जो भी होगी देखी जाएगी. But नहीं, you sort of have to give that balance. You need to find that balance. Because you can't, as an anchor, be handicapped to what the producer is saying. Because for whatever reason, say producer का audio गया, producer का ध्यान किसी और चीज में चले गया, और मैं handicap वाला बंदा हूँ, तो मैं फिर आगे अपने आप को steer ही नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So the best way to do it is you have to pay attention to the conversation. to the words your experts are saying. You need to know the
Yes.
subject you're getting into, and all that preparation is done before getting into a show.
Okay.
The producer is just there to nudge you, because the
Mhm.
producer is the third person. He's your viewer.
Viewer.
So
Yeah.
हम जब शो करते हैं या हम कहानी बनाते हैं, हमें लगता है हम बेस्ट चीज करते हैं,
Yeah.
पर असल में कहानी वो होती नहीं है.
Yeah.
जो तीसरा बंदा देख रहा है जिसके लिए घर पे आप बना रहे हो, वो असली
Mhm.
चीज बताता है. तो
Exactly.
प्रोड्यूसर उस नजरिए से देखता है, तो वो
Yes.
कहता है यार भाई थोड़ा कॉन्वर्सेशन ड्रैग हो रहा है, लेट्स मूव ऑन.
Mhm. Move on.
That's a nudge.
Got
You
it.
move. And so
Okay.
on and so forth. You know, so that's a very fine balance, and that comes with time. Right? Television, broadcasting, it's the coming together of a lot of people, right?
Yes.
Eventually, what you're seeing are 4 people on your
Mhm.
screens, but
Yes.
there's a team of about 40, 50 that are getting together to beam those pictures to you and making sure everything works in a synced way.
Absolutely. So a lot of people who don't know this, I have also volunteered at a few games in Ranchi where I've met you as well. So लोगों को ये
Yes.
पता नहीं रहता, international match में 22 players are always on the field, but there's an army of producers and hosts and other people working behind the screen to get those live feed to everyone. So there's a lot of work that goes off the field as well. चलिए अर्जुन, बात करते हैं आपके ट्रांजिशन की. Well, I read somewhere that you actually wanted to become a football player, like a professional footballer, and from there you actually became a sports anchor. So how the transition has been and what really happened from football player to a sports anchor?
मैं आपको एक छोटे तरीके से समझाता हूँ. I was never a good enough football player.
Okay.
I went there, I tried my best, but when I got to the highest level,
Mhm.
at least the one good thing with me was कि I wasn't living in denial.
Okay.
मैं गया वहाँ पे, मैं खेला, मैंने कहा भाई यहाँ पे ना चढ़ने के लिए I don't think मेरे बस की बात है. Also because
Okay.
when I tried my hand at football, I was 21, 22.
Mhm.
So you literally had a year.
Yeah.
You can't be entering a professional setup at the age of 25.
Exactly.
Even to enter a professional setup at the age of 23, 24 is late. I feel.
Yeah.
So then I took a hard call, and I mean I didn't have to take a hard call in the sense that I had already torn my ligaments in my knee.
Mhm.
I'm not saying because I tore my ligaments I could never make it as a player. I knew before that I wasn't good enough. But then
Okay.
came the tearing of the ligaments, and
Okay.
so I decided भाई कुछ काम करते हैं. तो like any good boy जिसने कभी कुछ पढ़ाई करी नहीं है, दिल्ली का वो बिगड़ा हुआ लड़का, हाँ,
Yes.
मैंने अपने माँ बाप को बोला जी भेजो जी हमें अब्रॉड फॉर
Mhm.
MBA.
Yes.
मेरे माँ बाप ने कहा चलो जी आपके लिए और कुछ मिलना भी नहीं है, आपको यहाँ पे TU में तो एडमिशन मिलनी नहीं. So I was about to go, everything was done, my visa was done, my admission was done. Say I had to leave on a Thursday. On a Wednesday,
Yeah.
I went to play a football match in a Delhi professional league, which is the highest level of Delhi.
Okay. Okay.
And in that game, I twisted my knee, tore my ligaments, ACL gone.
Wow.
Right? So trip cancelled. So at that time, the chat was we postpone it.
Mhm.
You recover for a month, you can start
Yeah.
working, then you can head. But in that month, क्योंकि आदमी जब वेला बेचारा बिस्तरे पे अकेला बैठा रहता है, टांग ऊपर करके ऐसे, दिमाग ना बड़ी clearly चलता है उस टाइम पे.
Yes.
And I kind of thought to myself, I said, I'm not going to enjoy this because even post an MBA, what am I going to do?
Yeah.
I want to stay in sports, even if I can't
Okay.
play. I want to be around it. I want to be talking around it. I want to be in an environment where sports is being spoken about.
Mhm.
And so I finally mustered up the courage, told my family. I've never really had a problem in telling my family what I want to do.
Okay.
It's been that kind of a upbringing, and I feel very lucky about that. So I told them that, look, I don't think I want to be there. I want to be involved in the game. I
Mhm.
want to be involved in the game in the broadcast side of things. So there was a channel Z Sports. God bless Z
Yes.
Sports, जिन्होंने पहली नौकरी दी. तो Z Sports का Indian football cover करते थे वो. And I knew
Okay.
Indian football, having played in it,
Yeah.
having been in the system.
Mhm.
So I कहीं ना कहीं से पता किया who was the main head. My father called up that person saying, could you do me a favor? You don't know me,
Yeah.
but I've got this idiot of a son who's had this issue. Don't need to pay him anything if you don't want to pay him. But he's a
Okay.
bright kid. He's not done any mass comm. I've not done any studies
Yes.
in journalism or anything like that. And will you just take him on? And I guarantee you that in the next 5 months he will pick up things because he picks up things quickly.
Okay.
पता नहीं उनको क्या हुआ. उन्होंने कहा सर आओ. He got me for an interview. He asked me a few things about sports. I think they just wanted to get a sense, is this the guy
Yeah.
who knows sports or not?
Exactly.
and it's pretty apparent in me because all my life I've only done that. मैंने और कुछ किया ही नहीं है, to be honest.
Okay.
So I got taken in, and that's how my journey in broadcast and television started with Z Sports.
So from Z Sports, you then went on to NDTV, I believe, then Star Sports, and then Sony. So working for 4 different channels, how has the experience been? I believe it's been over a decade now, and 4 different channels.
I know.
Any regrets or anything that you would
Thank
want to change? Go back into time and change?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay.
I'm not the type who likes. So I'm actually up I'm not saying I'm perfect. I have my flaws.
Yeah.
Whatever. But जो कर दिया, and
Yeah.
it's who I am.
Okay.
आगे जाके if you can change yourself for the better, why not? But I also have this belief that don't go too far away from who you are. Everyone knows who you
Yes.
are, and accept your flaws and accept your good habits. ये नहीं कि भाई सबको ही
Absolutely.
बनना है जीसस और घुसो जी उस तरफ बनने. Then you
Very-
lose your identity.
Very well said. Yes. So,
So, yeah.
you know, you said you initially started with that football show, and then you moved towards cricket as well. Now, I'm not really sure how much knowledge or how involved you were with cricket before you became a sports anchor. So, how difficult was that transition from football to cricket, and going about it?
It was very difficult, yeah. And the transition also came courtesy of a crisis. It didn't come because I made एक दिन आया कि जी चलो जी क्रिकेट करते हैं.
Okay.
It came because मेरी किसी के साथ बन नहीं रही थी in the football team. At least that's my way of thinking or looking at it. They didn't
Okay.
like my work professionally, and
Okay.
so they said let's not get this guy in our team. And so happened that I didn't have a job. I had nothing to do. And,
Okay.
and so I went up to the cricket team and I said, look, I've done this TV. You know who I am. I've not done cricket, but give me a shot.
Yeah.
And to my luck, that the head gave me a shot. It was nice of him. And I don't think at that time they were looking at someone as to how well averse is he to cricket. I think they were looking at how well versed is he to handling a live situation.
Okay.
So उस मामले में जी आपने NDTV किया हुआ है. Nothing teaches
Yeah.
you live television like news television.
News television.
Because
Okay.
you're not that बिगड़ा हुआ anchor जो अब बने हुए हैं ना
Yeah.
कि hair makeup ये सब चल रहा है show से पहले. NDTV में असलियत बाहर आई है कि you're building the show like a producer 4 to 5 hours before that. You're rushing into your seat and you're
Okay.
making sure everything is working. So you're doing dual work
Yeah.
or double the work or triple the work. And
Okay.
the positive being that because you're thrown into such a heavy situation, that when you actually come into this pampered type situation where he's our anchor and star, then it's very easy because आपने तो सब किया है भाई. So you have a sense of what's going wrong because I've seen so many anchors who haven't experienced it. When you don't know what's going on in the background and a news control room it's called. I think PCR it's the full form.
PCR, yes.
Yeah, it doesn't stop talking, भाई. It actually feels like कि वहाँ पे ट्रेन चल रही है, प्लेटफॉर्म में बैठे हो आप, गाड़ी आने वाली, that kind of noise, right?
Okay.
So I'm used to it because I've been in these PCRs, I've worked in these PCRs. But for someone who hasn't, and suddenly you have to have a conversation और यहाँ पे bang चल रहा है, it can throw you off. It can easily throw you off.
So I think it was like a blessing in disguise that you had that experience, and then when you moved on to hosting live, say football or cricket shows, you had that experience, and it kind of helped you with that experience.
Yeah, totally. I think every experience counts. I look at every experience I've had, and I feel like up until this day, जो भी मैंने कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ, किया है, all of it is played a part. जो इतने साल वो कहते हैं मुष्टंडों की तरह फील्ड पे खेले हैं. I am telling you that helps me now because I have an insight into team culture. I know how an athlete feels. I know how an athlete feels when they're injured. I know how an athlete is there for each other, or I know the hardships an athlete has to go through because I've seen this on my own. Right? I can read the game very well, and the same goes for cricket. So I'll be honest in saying, so मैं कोई क्रिकेट का ज्ञानी हूँ. मैं नहीं हूँ क्रिकेट का ज्ञानी, but I know sports. The larger picture, right?
Yes.
So मुझे पता है the hardships of when a Rishabh Pant is fighting through all of that and what is
exactly
going on in Australia. Or the grittiness that Mr. Pujara is showing. Because these are the things that are not shown in a broadcast. The hours and hours of practice, right?
Exactly.
The art of leaving the ball, the art of not having to go and take a shot. This is all here, right?
And
this has nothing to do with cricket.
And I think that is one reason that I keep saying that it is very easy to criticize a sports person when they fail. But then
Yeah.
you don't really know the amount of hard work that he's put in, the number of hours that he's actually put in into the next session, and what he's gone through. Rishabh Pant की आपने जैसे बात की, so there was an incident where he actually wasn't performing, or stadium में the crowd was chanting Dhoni Dhoni when he was batting or keeping.
Yeah, I remember.
So I think it actually leaves a very bad impact on the player. But then you have to understand that he's coming from a different zone, and उनका work करने का process and सारा कुछ अलग था. So like you said, all that has actually helped you understand the game better, your past experience, and then you've actually used it towards your work as well.
I kind of don't completely agree with you there, because I feel हमारे देश में ना हम उस cheer leading पे आ गए हैं, sir.
Yes.
With all due respect.
Mm-hmm.
जी आप हमारे लड़के इंडिया को आप कैसे क्रिटिसाइज करते हो, आपकी टीम है, हाँ?
Yeah.
हमारे लड़कों को आप कैसे क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हो? तो मतलब वो दूसरे जो हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हैं वो इंसान नहीं, मैं मतलब see the game is, and you have to be true to yourself when you're doing broadcast.
Yes.
Whether Mr. Kohli is my best friend or whether
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Pujara and I play Happy Diwali together,
Yeah.
when they are on the field, my job is to not give an opinion. Is to get an opinion from the expert, and then
Yeah.
whatever the opinion the expert gives, because of my years of experience of watching the game, I can say, okay, maybe are you sure you want to say this or you want to say that? Sort of then
Okay.
grow the conversation a little more.
Okay.
So if someone needs to be criticized, he should be criticized.
Yeah.
As in a reason to not criticize someone shouldn't be कि वो देखो कितना मेहनत करके आया है, because
Mhm.
everyone सब मेहनत करके आ रहे हैं, they all
Okay.
know where they're going, किस मुकाम पे आप जा
Mhm.
रहे हैं, and the name
Yeah.
of the game at that time is that there's so many eyeballs on you. It's an industry, पूरी business
Exactly.
चलती है, and they feed
Yeah.
from that industry as well, by the way.
Yes.
All these television rights and the money, all of that also
Mhm.
feeds into the player's image and the player's whatever, the bank balance and so on. So it's a cycle, and there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not trying to say it's anything wrong. So if it
Okay.
is a cycle, the player knows exactly what you're getting into, and as a broadcaster, you got to be true to your job. You can't let these things come कि ये देखो मेहनत करके आए. You of course put it out
Mhm.
there, say
Yeah.
because of hardships and so on. And
Yeah.
some can have an opinion saying I don't agree, some say I agree.
Exactly.
That's the beauty of conversation, right? If
Yeah.
in a conversation
Yeah.
everyone agrees, कहाँ का conversation हुआ?
मजा क्या आएगा
Hello,
फिर?
yes sir, hello. हाँ, मजा नहीं आएगा.
Bilkul. So, talking about your experience, well, we've seen you on television with the likes of VVS Lakshman, Sunil Gavaskar, Mohammad Kaif, Virender Sehwag. How has the experience been? I'm sure you must have seen all these sports personalities, play cricket, represent India, and then you're hosting shows with them. Give us an insight on that feeling and how it goes.
So I love working with Veeru Bhai, because
Okay.
Veeru Bhai challenges you. He challenges you. He's one of those guys who's quick-witted. I think everyone knows that. So if you say something to him,
Yeah.
जनरली क्या होता है कि फॉर्मेलिटी में इवन अगर मैं अपने दिमाग में सोच रहा हूँ ये क्या कर रहा है,
Okay.
क्योंकि मैं live air on a live show, I'll say, well, that formality will go. Okay, I don't want to take it on.
Yeah.
Veeru Bhai at the time, he said, Pandit ji, क्या पूछ रहे हो? So I like
Okay.
that. And he has that very Delhi sense of this thing. So it's not like
Yes.
a criticism.
Uh-huh.
He's saying, भाई क्या पूछ रहा है? हाँ?
Hmm.
Also, I'll give you an insight in the India-Australia. अब मेरी हिंदी is a work in progress for me. मैं ये
Yes.
नहीं कह रहा कि मैं हिंदी नहीं जानता, मैं हिंदी बड़ी अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. But जो हिंदी आप टेलीविजन पे बोल रहे हैं, जो आप कैमरा पे बोलते हैं, that Hindi needs to be refined. And some words मेरे दिमाग में आते नहीं.
Okay.
So what I do is, if I'm getting stuck, मैं थोड़ी अंग्रेजी
Yeah.
फेंक देता हूँ, save myself, and then I come back to the Hindi.
Okay.
So Veeru Bhai knows this, और मैंने गलतियाँ करी हैं on air. अब मैं न्यूज़ वाला बंदा हूँ, तो मैं गलती पे रुकता नहीं कभी. गलती करी,
Yeah.
मैं आगे बढ़ जाता हूँ.
निकल गए. Yes.
Yeah, so इन shows में sponsors बहुत होते हैं.
Yes.
There are a lot of sponsors. So
हाँ.
सरदार से होता तो मैं कुछ गलत ले लेता हूँ कभी नाम, and that's a sin.
Okay.
वीरू पहले दिन देखा, उसके बाद से वीरू भाई मुझे ऐसे देखते हैं. Whenever I'm about to read, I'm ready. He's looking at me like this. And then if I say it correctly, he goes,
क्या
like that,
बात है.
he's clapping it. So he's a lot of fun. Kaif bhai is a lot of fun. Kaif
Okay.
bhai is a chiller. Mr. Gavaskar के साथ भी बड़े मजे आए हैं. वेस्ट इंडीज में गए थे. He was there with us. Um, I really enjoy working with him. VVS and Star. At Star, I was the anchoring I'm doing now. I was even half of at that in Star, because at that time belief की भी बात होती है कि I used to always think at the back of my mind. I still think कि मैं इतना cricket नहीं जानता. So I can't speak with authority about the game. So I can't speak with authority about the game. जो मैं questions भी पूछ रहा हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार मैंने सही पूछा गलत पूछा. So and you can, as a person who I'm asking in that show, they can read all these things without me even having to say anything. So these guys were very accommodating with me. चाहे VVS हो गए, चाहे Harbhajan Singh हो गए, there's Akash Chopra, Deep Das Gupta, all these guys very accommodating, and all of those experiences have helped in me now holding fort and saying कि मैं हूँ cricket anchor, लाओ जी series कराने के लिए.
Chaliye, I think a great insight to what really goes on behind the screen as well, and how important it is for a sports anchor to build that rapport with your co-host.
Chaliye अब बात करने वाले हैं. Jatin's really good at that. Jatin is really good at that. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
No. So
also because Jatin really knows the sport.
Yes.
He knows the sport inside out, and एक camaraderie होती है. And so that camaraderie sort of from the dressing room or wherever we sit follows to the studio.
Yes.
Might not be the same with me because I can't sort of partake in the conversation the same way. So earlier when I used to stay at Star, मैं डरता था यार मैं क्यों बैठे उन लोगों के साथ, मेरे पत्ते शो हो जाएंगे. तो मैं अकेले अपने प्रोड्यूसर के साथ बैठता था. So I would come into the studio like 2 minutes before the show. So at that time it's a little difficult to sort of generate that energy as opposed to having been with them in the dressing room. Boom, straight to studio and the conversation continues.
Okay. Well, chaliye, quickly moving on to our next segment where we're going to discuss the current Indian team. You said, you worked with Sony. Your last project that you did was the India-Australia series. India-Australia series की बात करते हैं. We were down and about after the first test match. No one gave us a chance कि भैया विराट कोहली एक तो घर वापस आ गए हैं. Injury पे injury हमारी होने वाली थी, and the way we lost the first test match, like I said, no one gave us a chance to come from that and to win on a test match. What were your thoughts and throughout the test series, and what do you make of the Team India's performance in the Australia series?
Oh, it was fabulous, man. I feel privileged to have been a part of that series, honestly speaking. It was a big project for me also. Truth be told, I haven't taken too many solo main anchoring jobs. First with India West Indies.
Yeah.
I was the broadcast with them, and then it was India Australia. And India Australia, before the start of the series, that sense wasn't there. कि क्या India जाके जीत के आएगी क्या? Then came, and you already knew that the captain is leaving, so Virat is going.
Yeah.
83 all out. And at that time you're thinking, भाई साहब, लो जी, हो गया कुंडा.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे होने वाली हार पड़ने वाली है, and then it's going to be difficult.
Exactly.
Whether you broadcast it or whether you play, how much do you criticize? Only that much that you can do. So, and then मजा भी नहीं आता ना दोस्त. At the end of the day, we can be as neutral as we are, but we're Indians. We're broadcasting for the Indian audience. So if they're winning, even if they're not winning, if they're fighting, there's something to talk about. That energy is there. But it was beautiful, yeah. The timings were so tough. Because we had to get up at about 2 a.m.
Exactly.
We had to get to by 3:30. तो मतलब वो अपनी आधी नींद में चल रहे हैं. वो सीरीज में ब्रॉडकास्ट का मैन ऑफ द मैच कौन था? मेकअप वाला. वो आके हम सबके वहाँ पे ठीक करते थे. दवा का मेकअप, यहाँ पे किलो भर का मेकअप लगता था हमारे ऊपर. And we used to go into the show. So much so that I don't know, one day in a morning show, 4:30, I had Ajit and I had Karthik with me.
Yeah.
As always, we're joined by Murli Karthik and we're joined by Ajay Jadeja. Ajit looks at me, Arjun, good morning.
Good morning.
So my thing is also this, that if I've made a mistake, I made a blunder, like not a fumble or something. Fumble is not a mistake, to be honest. If I made a blunder, then I like staying on it, making a joke about myself, right? Moving on. That's a very human thing to do. कि गलती कर दी भाई.
ठीक है.
कि नींद कम आई है जी, आंख नहीं खुल रही है, ऐसे जो भी है.
Actually.
So yeah, but it was beautiful. Yeah, the beauty of Sony, at least what I've seen, having worked in different places, is that they let a conversation breathe.
Okay.
So the conversation breathes. मजे हो रहे हैं, मजे के बीच में मुद्दे पे बात हो रही है, and when that is happening, everyone's involved. You know, if it's just a question answer round,
Yeah.
then, you know, it's just too ta. दिमाग में बात बैठ नहीं रही of a
मजा नहीं आ रहा था फिर.
मजा नहीं आ रहा, exactly. So,
बिल्कुल.
it
I
was
think
good. It was a lot of fun.
like you said, you know, that sleeping pattern and जो timing थी was very difficult as well because I was newly married then. I think हफ्ता भर हुआ था और wife को पहले से ही बोल के रखा था कि यार this is how it's going to be for the next few weeks and
She's still
I'm going to wake up. Yes, so I'm going to wake up early morning.
But she still married you, knowing that you
Yes.
would do that. Oh.
See, so the first day we actually met, I told her very clearly that this is my first love and this is going to be my passion. So you're
And she
either
still
all
married you.
in, yes, and मतलब आप believe नहीं करोगे, honeymoon के बाद the first trip that we actually took was to Ahmedabad to watch the India-England day-night test match.
Oh, this is next level, Rishi.
And मैडम ने 2 दिन चुपचाप बैठ के पूरा मैच देखा बट शी वाज यू नो काइंड ऑफ हैप्पी एज वेल के मैच 5-day मैच 2 दिन में खत्म हो गया तो वो 3 दिन हमें घूमने को मिल गए बट आई थिंक दैट ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज वाज एक्चुअली द टाइम व्हेन शी रियलाइज्ड ओके किसी और चीज के लिए बंदा उठने वाला नहीं है बट क्रिकेट के लिए इसको लेट नाइट उठा लो सुबह उठा लो नहीं आप.
What is your better half's name?
Radhika,
the asli MVP is you. Having
Actually,
done that, trust me.
actually.
The real MVP is you. To be do, sir, क्योंकि मैं क्या बताऊं, मेरा जो नया प्यार था, मेरी जो अब धर्मपत्नी है, now you know how she watches my show. I said, did you watch my show? She said, yeah. I said, what do you see? She puts it on for 1 minute. She takes a screenshot for proof, and boom, shut TV.
Wow.
Gone. Yeah, she doesn't watch any of this anymore. And no sports with me. In fact, I remember I took her somewhere. I told her, look, I love football. This is a ground in Delhi where I've grown up playing. I'll show you nostalgia. वहाँ पे बच्चे खेल रहे थे, गेम चल रहा था. Her first reaction was, ये वेले हैं क्या? इनके पास और कुछ काम नहीं है.
Okay.
I was like, this is enough. You and I are perfect because we're opposite. चलो जी, boom.
Chaliye. Well, Arjun, next question that I have for you is, with just few days away from the World Test Championship final, Team India from being down and about in New Zealand and then Australia in the first test, we had a very similar situation against England as well in the first test match, and then they came back strong. They're going to face New Zealand on a neutral venue, ICC prepared pitch hogi. What do you think of India's chances in the final? Do you think they have a shot at winning the test match, or do you think the other way?
Of course. Yeah, no, see, the thing is that here it's not a battle between one team nobody expected to reach. So as in there's no gap. The gap between the two teams is pretty similar. There's hardly any gap. Right? Even Stevens. In that sense, a 5-day game, the beauty of test cricket is that you always have a chance to come back.
Exactly.
मैं भोगले साहब की एक बात सुन रहा था YouTube में और वो बड़ी prophetic तरीके से बोलते हैं life में you get a second chance just like in test cricket. मैं अपने आप को I try copying sometimes to talk to him and I say नहीं don't, it doesn't suit you. So the chances you have it. The only issue I feel that India could have, and I'm stating obvious, is that New Zealand is already playing a series in India.
Yes.
Conditions makes a big difference. While India is already there, they are not playing competitive cricket. They're playing cricket
match practice नहीं है. Exactly.
Yes, amongst themselves they're playing. Conditions चाहे आप जितना भी आप 1 साल रह लो 1 महीना रह लो, जो पहला मुकाबला होगा, पहले 10 या पहला session. Pehla session will always be a little iffy. We're kind of finding out what's going on. Right?
Okay.
So that will be very crucial because of New Zealand. And I feel अगर कोई तंग कर सकता है तो वो टीम साउदी.
Okay.
तो यार वो कला है भाई के पास. अगर उसने पहले बॉलिंग करी और पहले सेशन में हमारे बंदे आगे बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए, वो तंग कर सकता है. But I kind of agree with Ravi Shastri to what he said. That if you want this to be the culmination of the World Test Championship, right? So you're calling it the World Cup of Tests.
Yeah.
It should be a best of 3.
Exactly. I agree with that. There should be not just a one-off test match, but a best of 3 so that you can actually, decide. And adding to that, I wanted that best of 3, how to go about it. 1 at a neutral venue, 1 to be played at each of the, playing nations, so that, वो एक interesting factor आ जाए. तो न्यूट्रल वेन्यू भी हट जाएगा, होम एडवांटेज भी मिलेगा, एंड देन यू हैव द बेस्ट ऑफ 3 as well.
That's a good idea, man. But only I think logistically it could be a problem.
Yes.
And also duration then sort of goes up to a month. At
Month.
least, or more than
Exactly.
a month also, I feel.
More than a month.
So I
Yeah.
don't know in this calendar how you'll be able to fit it, because cricket is such a chock-a-block calendar.
Absolutely.
With the advent of 2020 cricket as well. But it's a very nice idea. I kind of agree. I mean, best of 3, one venue, yeah, it could get a little boring because you're playing same venue. So
Exactly.
or you could have 3 different venues in the same country.
Same country.
So it's shifting, yeah. But yeah, so I'm actually looking forward to it, yeah, because if I had to choose between the 3 formats, I love watching Test cricket. There's a beauty of Test cricket. There's a certain simplicity. There's a simplicity to Test cricket. You know, it's a fight. It's a show of grit more than anything. 2020 क्रिकेट में मैं तो कभी बैठता हूँ और मेरे दिमाग के ऊपर से ये E = MC² टाइप चल रहा होता है कि अभी तो ये इसने करा, अब यहाँ ये कर रहा है. They are changing like this in 2020 cricket.
Exactly.
And for ODI cricket is stuck in between, you know.
Yeah.
कि वो slow भी चल रहा है, वो fast भी कुछ कर रहा है. I just love Test cricket, and I would never want to change it from 5 days. This is 4 days.
Exactly.
5 days is the way, and it should be preserved going forward.
Yes. True. And you know, like you said, Test cricket, I believe, is the best format, because in Australia we saw how Team India fought back when Ashwin and Vihari were batting in the 3rd Test match, down and about injured, and there was no way that they're going to win the Test match, so they have to save it. You know, batting for over 100 overs in the 4th innings, not easy in Australia. So that really shows you the real character and how strong you are mentally. So
totally. You can see that, Rishi, when you're watching the game, you can see the momentum shifting. That's the beauty of Test cricket. You know, एक starting momentum है कि भाई तेज गेंदबाज पड़ा कर रहा है, गेंदबाजी, facial expression, everything you can see. Then you can see that the batsmen have seen through that tough period. तो थोड़ा सा आप कह रहे हैं यार, थोड़ा cautious होना पड़ेगा, कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा. We can't do same, right?
Yeah.
इनको निकालना पड़ेगा. And then comes that period saying, oh shit, you know, shoulders are drooping, down and above, they actually put it off. And you see the batsman in ascendancy. That's beautiful, man.
And you know, the example that you gave right now, perfect, you know, correlation would be the 4th Test match, 5th day, where India went on to win the series. No one actually thought that India will be able to chase a target of over 300. And then you slowly try to build up, and then you saw the Australian players, you know, with their shoulders down and out and about, and they knew that, okay, India is done. They've actually won the series, even though they still had 60-70 runs to win. But वो जो excitement होती है ना Test cricket की, I really hope that the final goes on to the 5th day till the last session, because उसमें फिर एक वो मजा आएगा, पता चलेगा real character.
उस दिन जो आखिरी दिन था, मैं जी घर से दूर था, बच्चे से दूर था, and I was missing home. So you know, मेरे अंदर वो भी चल रहा था कि I'm getting to go home.
Yes.
मुंबई से दिल्ली फ्लाइट पकड़ के, तो मेरे से जो प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल वाले हैं, he's asking me, sir, कितने बजे की फ्लाइट पकड़नी है? और सुबह पूछ रहा है, मैंने कहा भाई आप कर तो 3 बजे या 2 बजे तक अपना मामला पड़ जाएगा जल्दी, उससे पहले. हाँ,
okay.
Then again Harsha Bhogle साहब काम से,
नहीं,
I'd suggest you go a little later, because this could change very quickly, and it did, man. How beautifully.
Absolutely. I think that that series was actually named by ICC the ultimate Test series ever played in a poll recently. We hope, you know, India can actually, you know, continue their dominance in red ball cricket and in the longest format. Only time will tell. Chaliye, next, we're moving to our last segment, the rapid fire segment, where I'm going to ask you a few questions. Controversial questions nahi hai. I'm trying to keep it very simple, but I just wanted to, you know,
no problem. बंदा खुल के बोलेगा आपको जो बोलना है.
Okay, but I wanted to keep it simple. I wanted, you know, people to know Arjun Pandit not as a sports anchor, but as a general Delhi का लौंडा जो हम बोल सकते हैं. So
okay.
Well,
I want to tell you that all your viewers, as soon as you said that, half your viewers have left already. So all the best.
Okay. Chaliye. Well, the first one is football or cricket, as a sports presenter and as a player.
As a presenter, cricket. As
okay.
A player, football.
Okay. Favorite cricketer?
Oh, Kane Williamson.
Kane Williamson. And favorite host when it comes to hosting shows?
So I like Gaurav a lot.
Okay.
Also, even though I've started doing CricBuzz, so my respect has gone even more because I understand the challenges you face and the skill
Okay.
it requires to kind of do the shows. And abroad, there's a presenter by the name of Dan Thomas.
Yes.
He hosts a show called ESPN FC. I'm sure आप मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के फैन हैं. God bless you, क्योंकि मैं आर्सेनल का फैन हूँ. मैं God bless
Yes.
you बोल रहा हूँ because we're
पता
both
है.
going through tough times.
Yes. Yes.
But yeah, I really like Dan Thomas because of the vibe he brings to the show. It's they fight, they laugh, they talk, and that's the way it should be.
And you brought up Gaurav, I believe Gaurav Kapoor, GK.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Gaurav.
I am actually inspired by him to start my own. There's this series where I'm going to invite people because I've seen his Breakfast with Champions and then 22 Yarns. Unbelievable. The kind of content that he has is brilliant.
Yeah. I think his biggest quality. A lot of people say, and they kind of simplify the fact, oh, वो funny है and light है. But I think the best quality, और मैं ऐसे ज्ञान पेल रहा हूँ to someone who's been doing cricket for so long or hosting, doesn't sound right, but I'll still say it. It's the ease with which he does the conversation, right? And then that ease goes. So say Rishi, you and I are doing a conversation. I am the host, but I am fidgety as hell.
Yeah.
Right? मैं रट्टा मारते हैं. Then that body language will transfer onto you.
Exactly. Yes.
Transfer onto the entire show. But with Gaurav, there's an ease to which he does it, and that ease transfers to the person in front of him, and thus they have a very khul ke relaxed conversation. I feel like you shouldn't generalize a guy just because he's funny on air. Because मैं अपने बारे में भी तारीफ कर रहा हूँ कि हम भी गंदे जोक मारते हैं. अरे पंडित तो फनी आदमी है, हा. अबे उससे ज़्यादा भी काम किया है. So there's a skill to it on how you merge the two, and that's a very tough skill to master. And I think Gaurav is at the top of that.
मतलब आप समझ लो कि वो होता है ना कि दो दोस्त साथ में बैठ के बस गप्पे मार रहे हैं, कैमराज नहीं लगे हुए हैं आसपास में एंड रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं चल रही, बस वो दो बात कर रहे हैं अपने आप में.
Yeah, and that's a very tough skill to pull off on live.
Exactly.
There's a majority of the times they come across as too formal. Like my biggest grouse with television when I used to watch, and I still do. ऐसे यार ऐसे अक्सर में जिसके लिए आप चला रहे हो, जो कि संख्या है बैठ के घर पे देख रही है.
Yeah.
Is this the kind of conversation they have? This seems like a conversation that's having in a bank. वो interview ले रहा है जी, आओ लोन क्यों दूँ मैं आपको, ये वो वाला conversation लग रहा है. It shouldn't be so formal.
Yes,
it should be
exactly.
And then when both parties, and also another thing I feel, and I think that works for Gaurav as well, purely because of his reputation now that he's built over the years with this vast history of work, is that anchor and subject, whoever he's talking to, both feel that they're on the same page, same level.
Okay.
But then you have an honest conversation. But if it's like, anchor, sir, aap to cricketer hain, then it's not an honest conversation. It's a one-way conversation.
Yes.
It's a one-way conversation. So it doesn't happen. So I think Gaurav does that really well.
Okay. Well, the next question that I have for you is favorite ex-cricketer as a host and as a player as well.
Viru Bhai as a host and a player. And also Ajay Bhai, Ajay Jadeja.
Okay.
He is just too good, man. He wants to be challenged on camera. He says, "Mujhe pooch," and then I've seen that he tries to, so if you're doing some funny bullshit or you're doing something or the other, he tries playing along with you.
Okay.
That way, and then he expects that if he does something, as a host, you should be quick and fast to play along with him.
Yes.
So it's fun working with these guys.
Okay. And favorite sporting venue?
फेवरेट स्पोर्टिंग वेन्यू, मैं देसी आदमी हूँ, मैं अम्बेडकर स्टेडियम बोलूँगा, दिल्ली.
ओके, चलिए
यार, देयर इज नो जो मजा लाइव गेम देखने का है ना इन अ स्टेडियम, यू गॉन आउट ऑफ वो टीवी में नहीं है
एक्चुअली,
उसका सामना ही नहीं है.
And a lot of people keep asking me that why do you travel so much to watch cricket? I'm like, वो मजा नहीं आता घर पे बैठ के टीवी पे देखने का यार, जो स्टेडियम में आता है. Even if it's a test match, or for a matter of fact, I've watched a lot of Ranji games in Ranchi. I quietly go with my headphones and phone. I put on my headphones and Ranji match देख रहे हैं, कोई डिस्टर्ब करने वाला नहीं, बस वो लाइव देखना, जो फील आती है वो लाइव में आता है बस. एग्जैक्टली.
You can't explain it also, to be honest.
Yes, वो एक्सपीरियंस करने में ही पता चलेगा कि क्यों वो बंदा बार बार जा रहा है and why he's so mad about watching live sport.
Absolutely.
Okay. The next question that I have is favorite memory as a sports anchor and as a Delhi boy, like a normal human being.
As a Delhi boy, I don't know, yeah. I'll tell you, I was so in love with the game that I used to just, even if I had no one to play football with, I used to go on a football field and I
Yeah.
used to juggle the ball, run around with the ball. I used to kick the ball into the goal, then I used to run behind the goal. क्योंकि बॉल पहुंच गई जी, नेट तो
Yeah.
लगे नहीं होते थे. फुटबॉल सेकेंडरी गेम हमारे देश में, तो वहाँ से बॉल लेके आओ, ऐसे 1-1.5 घंटा अपने आप करता था. And I used to really enjoy that time. I used to be by
Mhm.
myself, but I used to continue doing it on my own, something or the other, something or the other. That is something I'll always cherish because now I don't get the time to do it. And also
Okay.
कि अब ना थोड़ा बुढ़ापा has taken over. बुढ़ापा has how taken over कि अब 15 मिनट भी अगर जाता हूँ ना कुछ खिंच जाता है, तो खिंच
Yeah.
के आता हूँ तो मेरी कहती है आज फिर चोट लग गई. मैंने कहा अब क्या करें. So I can't pull off those days. I'm trying. I don't give up, but I'm still there. But for me, your first question was favorite.
Any sporting achievement that you are really proud of as a
Playing, yeah. I tried my hand at
Playing.
football.
Okay.
I tried to go professional in Goa.
Mhm.
I was there for a year. I didn't make it to the team. I didn't play anything. But just being in that environment and the understanding I got that sport at
Mhm.
the highest level, even though you've grown up with a lot of passion and you love the sport, once you
Yeah.
flip that switch to go professional, ये
Mhm.
यहाँ का खेल है. फिर यहाँ का
Exactly.
खेल है दोस्त. और कहीं का खेल नहीं है. जो यहाँ से मजबूत है वो ही आगे बढ़ेगा. और मजबूत का मतलब ये नहीं कि मतलब पहले साल ही आके जी पहले मैराडोना बन गए. ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिन्होंने 5-5 साल ठोकरें खाई हैं पर
Yes.
छोड़ते नहीं है. शिखर धवन की आप बात कर लो. Shikhar Dhawan
Absolutely.
broke into the Indian team after so long. It takes so
Yes.
much of this, and that's why we call him comeback king. Because
Comeback king,
despite
yeah.
him going down in form, he's the one guy who can quickly turn it around and come
Yeah.
back.
Mhm. Perfect. Okay. Any favorite memorabilia that you have? Anything that you cherish having?
Not really. I'm not one for collecting jerseys and so on.
Okay.
But I do have a story around memorabilia. When in that same trip when we had met,
Yes.
Virat had done a charity
Yes,
in some
charity
part of London.
Dinner.
He
Yes.
had done some charity. Yes, so वहाँ पे he had given us time to do an interview with him. And
Mhm.
since I was the lone star represented there, मेरे को भेज दिया गया जी वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू करने में.
क्या
ठीक है, no
बात
problem,
है.
करेंगे. तो भाई साहब तो आए, but the setup of a production team is that you go and set up like an hour and a half, 2 hours before the
Yeah.
subject comes.
Uh-huh.
Setup got done in an hour, and Virat Kohli is still coming. It's going to take another 45 minutes for him to come. He's not late, but that's the time we've given him.
Mhm.
तो मैं जी memorabilia का मैं सैर करने लग गया. मैं suited booted था. You know, it was a
Yeah.
black tie event, so I was looking posh. वहाँ पे the ushers were these English girls who were
Yeah.
ushering and telling people this and this. So they were asking me, would you like to bid on this? और ये मेसी की
हाँ.
jersey थी, पता नहीं कितने pound की bid मांग रहे थे वो. ये वो, and I was just being very, you know, like, I'll see. ये नहीं कि जी हम तो वहाँ पे वो कैमरे वाले हैं. So when Virat came, how I broke the ice with him, because this was the first time I was interviewing him. I broke the ice with him when telling him this कि जी आपकी लड़कियां तो पूछ रही थी कि would you bid for it. मैंने उनको असल दिखाई नहीं कि मेरे जेब में 2 पाउंड है. 2 पाउंड में आदमी क्या खरीदेगा, ये सब चीजें. और वो हंसने
Yeah.
लग गया, and from there, you know, there was a good connect and we had a good interview.
Okay. Well, favorite holiday destination?
Ooh, Goa, no doubt about it. मैंने
Goa.
जितनी पार्टी ये कहीं करी है. Boom, non-stop.
Okay. Favorite cuisine?
Favorite cuisine is अपना North Indian.
North Indian. मतलब दिल्ली के छोले भटूरे और बटर चिकन का तो कोई मुकाबला ही
No.
नहीं है.
But I'm not into the chola bhatura scene. But I'm
Okay.
more into, you know, Mughlai.
मुगलाई.
जो खाना होता है ना.
Okay.
Oh, जो आपका मीट हो गया, जो आपके कबाब हो गए, all of that, I could gorge in it all day long.
Yeah, one thing that I miss about Delhi, I was there for 5 years. I was working for a corporate job. Delhi का खाना मतलब दिल्ली का खाना जो है ना unbelievable. So I would definitely agree with you on that. Okay, one last question that I have for you. If you ever get an option to swap places with a sports personality for a day, who would it be?
Good question. I would love to swap places with Arsene Wenger. when he was in charge of that team.
Yes.
The invincible team, a team that Man United never had. I mean, I would love to be in that dressing room, because if you read all the excerpts that have come from that season, and he's written a book as well. He was saying that it's the collective, right? Because एक इंसान का काम नहीं हो सकता वो to pull off a season
exactly
in that environment, to have so many dominating personalities, and generally when you have so many dominating personalities, you feel ego clash hoga, and I'm sure there are clashes. It's human. It's a very human thing. But then how you get past all of that, and you move ahead. You have that ruthlessness of not losing a single game. I would have loved to been a part, been where Arsene Wenger was during that time.
Wow. Okay. Well, Arjun, last segment of our show today. Quick word from you for budding, sports journalist or someone who wants to go on camera, wants this field as a full-time job, or wants to get into this field. What advice or what word do you have for them?
मैं जी बड़े देसी तरीके से बोलूँगा. देखो जी, हम जो काम करते हैं ना, इट्स नॉट ऑल अबाउट मेकअप, बाल बना दिए, कपड़े पहन दिए और आ गए वहाँ पे. ये तो बड़ा छोटा काम होता है. हाँ, जो एक्चुअल काम होता है वो कैमरे के बाहर होता है. One is understand the process, right? Like I said, I was lucky that I was at NDTV, so I was thrown into it, and I had 5 years of understanding the process, and so I know exactly what's going wrong, where it's going wrong. Nothing throws me off in that sense. Something happens, and then be a student of the game. ये मुझे Mr. Ajay Jadeja always बोलते हैं, भाई student बनो, even if you are not working on a project. Always follow what is happening. Always see it. Don't go into full detail of it if you don't want to. Read certain articles if you can. Make it a habit, and then it becomes muscle memory. And then when you're going in to have a conversation, you can have a much more refined, and you can have a much broader outlook to the conversation rather than just saying, "Sir, ये आपको कैसा लगा? वो आपको कैसा लगा?" Because that is very basic level stuff. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work which you don't see on camera. But it's actually the hard work, and it's all of that you put in off camera that comes in to aid you and helps you, gives you that confidence to put off a conversation and shows like that.
Okay. Well, Arjun, thank you so much for taking out the time and talking to us today. It's been a pleasure having you. बहुत मजा आया. I just have a small story to tell you. Before, I came up with this idea, I actually thought that I'll message a few people. I'll ask them for an opportunity to, host them on my show. I messaged about 5 to 6 people, and you were the one who replied the quickest and didn't even, had any tantrums. Quickly बोल दिया कि हाँ चलो भाई कब करना है बताओ, I'm up for it. So, Tahir, दिल से आपका शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for coming on the show today. Like I said, it's been a pleasure having you, and I wish you all the best. Hope you and your family stay safe during the difficult times.
You too.
And hopefully we'll catch up soon at one of the games. Thank you so much.
I hope so too, Rishi. मैं वेला बैठा हूँ जी, आपको सच बताऊँ तो आप मुझे गांधी जी ना बनाए. मैं वेला बैठा हुआ था. मैंने कहा यार, oh Rishi, I remember Rishi man. So why not? And I loved having this conversation. Sir, आप rival बन गए हो अब. तो ये बच के रहना. निगाहें अपनी लगे रहेंगी आप पे. हो रहा है, क्या काम हो रहा है. And then you know how you diss rivals na. Even someone, this guy is good, then you say no bro, what do you say, not that good. So that is how you.
आपका आशीर्वाद बना रहे मैं बोलूंगा, एंड हम भी थोड़े बहुत शोज अपने कर ले तो बस इसी में खुशी है. चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस टुडे अर्जुन.
Thank you so much, Rishi. All the very best going forward, and lots of love to you and the family, and stay safe.
Thank you. Well, that brings us to the end of today's segment on Crick Talk with Rishi. Thank you so much for watching. Do make sure that you subscribe to our social media channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and keep up to date with all that we post. I will be back with another episode soon. Till then, take care and thank you.